We're going to show you how to print 4x6 photos on your HP DeskJet 4220E printer. We will use HP Smart app. Let's start up HP Smart. You will see that the tray is empty or open. So this is a 4x6 photo paper mat that we want to use to print a photo. Let's load it into the input tray. Make sure you use the blue paper guide until it just touches the photo paper. If you do a refresh, the printer is now ready. So on the app, go to Print Photos. We'll print the Christmas tree. You can print either portrait or landscape. In this case, we'll print landscape. Go to Next. Do note that this printer doesn't support borderless photo print, so you can see a border around the photo. Tap on Print. So this is the photo that was printed on the HP DeskJet 4220E printer.